We're going to be doing an oil change on the Z today. A couple of things. Make sure you've got quality oil, 10W40. I like wicks, crush washer, basic tools. Once you have that, pretty simple. Oil filter, drain plug, fill plug. And of course, you want to start your bike, warm it up for a couple minutes. So that way the oil flows nicely. Oil filter they've got the jaws that bite into the oil filter. Something, if you see this one, don't get this one. It's bent. Pretty crazy. Also the drain plug, Kawasaki says 20 foot-pounds. Nuts. That's insane. You don't need to put your drain plug on that tight. Call it like 15, which is basically normal human, good and tight. Okay? After you get it all put back together, check for leaks, run the filter, drain plug, run it, just make sure everything's good to go, and you're done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, guys.